Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect telephone cable to a connector. First, gather your essential tools: a wire stripper, a crimping tool, and the correct connector. You'll need to identify your telephone cable type, which is usually a 4-wire or 8-wire cable. Make sure you have the appropriate RJ11 or RJ45 connector for your specific application. Having the right equipment from the start ensures a smooth and successful connection process, saving you time and frustration later on. Next, carefully strip about 1/2 inch of the outer jacket from your telephone cable using your wire stripper. Be gentle to avoid nicking the inner wires. Once stripped, untwist the individual wire pairs and straighten them out. This step is crucial for proper alignment. Then, arrange the wires according to the specific wiring standard for your connector, like the T568B standard for an 8-wire RJ45, ensuring each wire is in its correct position. Now, hold the arranged wires together firmly and trim them straight, leaving about 1/4 inch of exposed wire. This precise length is vital for a good connection. Carefully insert the trimmed wires all the way into the connector, making sure each wire reaches the front of its respective channel. A visual inspection is key here. Confirm that all wires are correctly seated and in the proper order before proceeding to the next step, ensuring a reliable connection. Finally, place the loaded connector into the crimping tool's appropriate slot. Squeeze the crimping tool handles firmly and completely until you hear a distinct click. This action pushes the metal pins down, securing the wires and making electrical contact. After crimping, it's highly recommended to use a cable tester. This will verify continuity and ensure there are no shorts or open circuits in your newly made connection, guaranteeing a functional and reliable telephone line.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.